Hello everyone. In the last video, I have already introduced Python and already explored why Python is being widely used in the area like machine learning, deep learning and data science. So, in this particular video, we are going to learn step by step process to download and install Python into our system. So, here our plan to download and install Python. First, I want to ensure that my system has not Python. So, for that reason, I want to check here. I want to go to the terminal. Then here we can check whether our system is having Python or not. So, here this command will give us Python was not found. So, that is that ensure that our system has not Python. Then what we should do, we should go to this link, or you can go by only type only search Python over your search bar also. Here we can download it. Here is the download option for the version 3.13.1. If you need any other version, you can go to this. Here at the list of version, you can download. If you require any specific version to download in your system, then you can do that also. But we wish to download the latest version. So, here we can download here. So, I have already you can click save here, but I have already downloaded this in my system. So, I have to go to that download section, and then you have to right click, then run as administrator, then click yes, then check these two boxes and then install now. So, we have to wait for some time. So, it is installing. It may require some time to complete. So, it is installing now. We have to wait. Then now it is download successfully. Then you have to click close here. Then again we require to go to the terminal. Then we can check. Okay, we have to close this. Then again we have to search terminal, open terminal. Then if you check again the Python version, that it is showing you have Python, the system have Python version 3.1. So, if you require to write any program, then you require to type like this Python, then it will go you to Python, it will take you to Python. Then here we can write our program like print hello world. So, here it is printing. So, basically with this we have downloaded Python and run our first program, hello world program. Then let us write a program to add 5 with 3. So, here we will take a is equal to 5, we are initializing a equal to 5, then we will initialize b equal to 3, then we are giving the addition operation here between a and b, then we will print c, the value of c, then this is 8. So, we are successfully download the Python and run two program, one is hello world program and another is a simple addition between 5 and 3. So, let us go to our slide. So, now this is okay, we have Python, but if you require to write a number of a logic, that is a number of required a number of instruction, like that is required a 1000 number of row of instruction. Then if you require to change this particular portion required to modify, then what we will do in this case? In this case, if you write 1000 line of code, can you go back and modify the lines of code and rerun again? That is not possible here, because here it is allow only to execute one line, you line by line, as it is a interpreter. So it is executing line by line. So it is not possible to write this type of complex logic here. So we need a code, we need a editor, text editor. So what we will do? We will create a file here like Python. What do you require to do here? You require to open that file, then please close that terminal. Here what we can do? We can do write with a text editor. We will use Notepad as a text editor. Here we will save this as our fast program .py, then click OK. What it will do? It will create a Python file. I think it created on desktop. So here you have to keep inside this. Then what you have to do? You have to what you have to do? You have to open this here with Notepad. Let's take this, then open shift and right click, open terminal here. Then what you can do? So here is our editor. We are using Notepad as our text editor. Then here it is our interpreter. We will run here our Python program. So here what we can do? We will write same program: a equal to 5, b equal to 3, then c equal to a plus b, then print c. So save this, Control S. Then to run this program in the terminal, we have to write like this: Python, then the file name fast prog.py. Let's see here, it is giving result. So it is another way to write the program. You can write on a text editor, you can write the program here. Then if you do some mistake here, then again run this program here. So you are getting error here in terminal, and you have to change in that text editor. If you do some error in text editor, you have to go to the terminal to check what the error is. Then suppose this is the way of writing a code in text editor and run it on terminal, but there is a better way of writing this code. We will use IDE, integrated development environment. So to write code efficiently and to write a structured code, we required a IDEs. IDE means integrated development environment. So let's close this.